7 a.m. Fort Worth. This is the second or third hailstorm we've had. Large hail. I think you can you hear me walking on the hail? I'm wondering how many cars have been damaged. Don't see any broken windows yet. Morning. Pretty good storm.
Oh yeah, almost 2 inches. The ice is crazy.
I don't see any broken windows or anything yet. You don't mind if I put this on YouTube, do you?
Look.
Yep. Wow.
Yeah.
Pretty good size.
Oh yeah. And more is coming.
Yep.
Look.
How many inches is that?
Almost 2 inches.
Yep. Wow. Thank you.
You're welcome. Car is okay?
I don't own a car, so.
Yeah, my truck.
You have any dents or anything on it?
Yeah, a little bit damaged in the front of the road.
Have a good day.
You too, sir.
Everybody is, well, not everybody, but people are heading out to go to work. Today is, I think it's Thursday. I think it's March, I think it's the 16th. Maybe it's the 17th. It's a Thursday, 2016. Okay, I'm going to bring this little video to a conclusion.